to my channel. I'm Sumati. Today we're going to discuss US visa, United Kingdom of America's visa, and today's how I'm going to teach you how to log in. This is going to be first lesson in this regard, and before logging in we have to have clarity on the terms and conditions. All fees paid on or non-refundable. A visa does not guarantee entry into the US, and visa allows the foreign citizens coming from abroad to travel the United States post of entry and request permissions to enter the US, and the permissions to enter can only be given by the Department of Homeland Security DHS and Customs and Border Protection CBP officials. You may not enter the US with the expired visa. The visa must be valid at the time of your entry to the visa. Yes. So with that note, we'll understand what is US visa. Having a US visa allows you to travel to port to entry, airport or land border crossing, and request permissions of the Department of Homeland Security DHS, Customs and Borders Protection CBP, and inspector to enter the United States of America. And what are the types of visas that they have? The most common types of US visa from India or tourist or business visa, and there are two types of visa offered under the tourist or business: and work visa, student visa, exchange visitor visa, ship crew or tourist visa, religious work visa, domestic employee visa, media and journalist visa. With that note, let us jump into today's class, and we have to enter all this information in order to have a login ID with the US portal. I'll just pause it and fill all this information and confirm with you. Yeah, I have given the email ID, requested email ID random, and the name and the last name and password, and I have given the privacy check also and fill the displayed box, and I'm going to submit this. There is an error, unable to validate the capture, please retry is what it is saying. We have to retry this. Now I have again re-entered and submitting it. It's time to, yes, we are already logged in, and I'm going to save this in my thing and logged in as a jagdish.gang@gmail.com, and the login ID and the ID is given. We have to save this. I just copy and keep it somewhere. Here the new application, schedule appointment and group scheduling request, provided feedback, update profile, everything has been given, and the attentions before you apply. You have to have a proper understanding why you are applying this visa. So before you enter the recipient number, and ensure that passport, biodata and DS-160 information matches the untravel doc and profile for all applicant scheduled during this session, and discrepancy between the profile, passport information, DS-160 informations may enter completion of new profile and purchase a new MRB fees receipt, and MRB fees is not refundable for transferable after they are assigned to be a particular applicant. Notice 1A, please provide accurate contact numbers and email ID on your profile so that you receive timely updates, and B is, please carry a Language of interview, English. They have given other language also, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, but I am going to select English and continue. Business, continue. Here I'll be selecting B1 and B2 visitor visa business for please, and there are some instructions that you have to go through. Visitor visa for business and pleasure, B1 and B2 visitor visa is for people traveling for the United States for temporary for a business, B1. For the pleasure of medical treatment or gradually, B1 as visa is also traveling counseling with a business associates and attending scientific educational and travel counseling and associate attending a scientific educational professional or business conventions, conferences, settling on a estate or negotiating contracts. So such reasons you can. So I just selected that option and I'm continuing this. You have to read all this notes clearly. And here type of visa, nominant non-immigrant visa. Yes, I'll just continue. Here we have to read the terms and conditions. The information you provide in this page will be used to allow you track your document and if necessary used to contract you in the future. Enter the information in Latin characters A to Z exactly as it appears in your passport. It is important that you enter your own email address and the telephone number, as this are the two ways that you will receive notice and regards your appointment or documents. And make sure all personal information is collected. Discrepancies between the profile and passport information and DS 160 information may require completions of new profile and purchase of new MRV fees receipt. MRV fees receipt are not refundable or transferable after they are assigned to the particular applicant. Once you're done with it, you just accept for this and you have to fill all this informations. I'll just pause the video and fill the information and come back. Applications filling, we can do it for next class because we do not have a DS 160 confirmations number. We collect that information and filling application I keep it in a separate video. That's all for the day. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.